Hello, dear children. In my today's lecture, you are going to understand the concept of future tense, future continuous tense, but by expressing it in the form of present continuous tense. Okay, this is very easy. Don't just bother about it. I'll explain you. Okay, learn in this particular page, you will learn something. Okay, what does it tell you? We use be plus going to plus the base form. What do you understand by the word be? Be means to be verbs. Okay, to be verbs. Be, this is be. Be means is, am, are, was, were, will, shall, have, has, had. All these are, and be being been, all these words are forms of to be. Okay, I'm repeating it. Is, am, are, was, were, will, shall, have, has, had, be, being, been, all these are the forms of to be verbs. Okay, so according to the sentence you can just choose any to be forms of the verb. Most of the time we use is, am, are in present continuous tense. Okay, so present continuous tense can also express the future action which will happen in continuous manner. Okay, we'll understand this through the example. Okay, he is going to come late today. Is the to be form of the verb. Going to, going means ing. This tells you that this sentence is present continuous tense. But which thing tells you that this is going to happen in future? That he is going to come late today. It means the action has not taken place and action is not happening now. This action will take in future. Is going to come late means वो आने वाला है. So has he come? No. So it means the action will take place in future, but still we call it present continuous tense. Okay, don't get confused. Similarly, in the second example, what can you see here? The children are going to perform on stage. So this action will take place in future in continuous manner. R plus ing. As you can see, I told you be means is mr. So R is also used as the form of be. Okay. Now see, that indicates something probably or likely to happen. Means probably or likely to happen means maybe होगा या नहीं होगा. So predictions. So to express such predictions also we use future, sorry, simple, I'm sorry, present continuous tense. Is mr plus ing. Is mr plus ing. So the sky is overcast. It is going to rain. She never comes to class on time. We are going to complain about her. So both the actions is going to and are going to will happen in future, and that is also in continuous manner. Okay, so this is how it should be done. And as you can see, there is section C and the task is given. What you are supposed to do? Be, as we have discussed, is mr can be used here to express future possibilities going plus 2. So as, and we use only this is mr for future predictions. Okay, is mr for present continuous tense. Okay, he has been studying really hard. He is going to top his class this time. Is going to top means is plus ing tells you that this is present continuous tense, but it expresses future action which will happen in future in continuous manner. Okay, now see second one. The weather looks really bad. It is going to rain heavily. Is going to, this particular thing tells us that is plus ing tells us that the sentence is in present continuous tense and this action will happen in future prediction. So two are done, one by in the book, one in this page, and one by me. Rest third, fourth, fifth, sixth should be done by you. Okay, now let's start our today's main topic, perfect tenses of future. Future perfect tense and future perfect continuous tenses. Future perfect tense. Okay, learn this. You need to learn this. Okay, so what is the suggestion given here? We use be plus going to plus the base form of the verb to talk about action. Be already we have discussed. Have, has, had are also forms of to be. Plus be, being, and been are also parts of to be verbs. Okay, so these things can be used even in have, has, had, will, sorry, have and has is never used. Okay, has is never used in future, but have is widely used. Okay, have is widely used. How? I will show you in the next page. Okay, as you can see, will have Has is nowhere. Okay, don't use has in future perfect tense. The action I'll explain you. Only your first task is to understand these examples. Okay, so learn. The rain will have reached Kota by this time tomorrow. Okay, and the second sentence is the film will have begun by the time we will get to the cinema. So will have reached, will have begun. All it needs is will plus have plus verbs third form. Reached and begun both are third form of the verb. And what are their root forms? Reach, reached, reached. Begin, began, begin. So begin is V3, that is why will plus have plus V3 is used here. Okay, and why do we use future perfect tense? To express future possibilities which will surely happen and can be completed. Okay, all future possibilities, and the future perfect tense is used to denote actions that will be completed by a certain time in future. Denote actions that will be completed, as we have discussed. Okay, the task which will be perfectly done. Why do we call it perfect tense? Perfect means the task which will be perfectly done. Okay, and these are very few examples. There will be negative sentence, question sentence. You can form questions also by putting may auxiliary verb in front and adding a question mark at the end. Okay, for example, the train will have reached Kota by this time tomorrow. If I just replace will in the beginning, so how will I say will the train have reached Kota by this time tomorrow, and it will end with a question mark. Okay, this is how you can form questions also. So just you need to main this particular auxiliary verb, you need to put in front, and you can just add a question mark at the end. Okay, now see what is the task given here. These are some people who might have certain expectations from you. What do you think they will tell you? Use the future perfect tense to write your sentence. Okay, now here these are the different people. What will you say to you by if they meet you anytime? Just imagine if you have met your teacher, your mother, your sister, your grandfather, school friend, neighbor. How will they say? And you will, as they will talk, then definitely they will say I. So just you need to guess it and start the sentence by the word I. Okay, as for example, you met a teacher. What the teacher has said you? I hope you will have completed these sums by tomorrow. Will have completed. Will plus have plus V3. Okay, again mother, I think I will have cooked food till 9 p.m. मतलब रात को 9 बजे तक खाना बन चुका होगा. Okay, this is how the action will be perfectly done. So will plus have plus V3. Cook, cooked, cooked. Complete, 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 completed, completed. V1, V2, V3. So V3 is only used in perfect tenses. So now rest should be done by you. Two are done in this page. One by me, one in the book. And sister, grandfather, school friend, neighbor. All the related sentences should be done by you. And begin the sentence by I. It means you need to imagine what they will say if you meet them, and tell us that what did they say by using the word I. Okay, subject I मीन्स आपको खुद के बारे में नहीं लिखना है, आपको सिस्टर के बारे में लिखना है कि उसने ऐसा बोला था. सो डेफिनेटली शी विल say about herself by saying I. Definitely grandfather will talk about himself or any information by adding I in the sentence. Okay, वो खुद का नाम तो नहीं लेंगे, they will definitely say I. Okay, so this is all about future perfect tense, and then now it's time for future perfect continuous tense. Okay, so there is a section here, as you can see. This is in this page. What does this suggest you? It suggests you to learn. I will have been ing. Okay, there is no huge difference. Will have is common in future perfect tense and future perfect continuous tense. Only two things are needed here. You need to just remember to add been plus ing. Okay, just this thing. Okay, will have been plus ing. So let's understand these things through examples. I will have been living here for 5 years by the end of this month. He will have been ruling the country for 5 years by this July. We use the future perfect continuous tense to denote actions which will continue over a period of time that will end in the future. Okay, denote actions which will continue over a period of time. Can you just see this thing? This is very important thing, that action which will start in the future, it will just continue for a period of time within a time slot and end in the future, means we perfectly know when that action will end. For example, we'll have been plus ing is there, it suggests us that this is future perfect continuous tense. And which particular thing tells us that the action will be completed in future? This month. This word tells us that we know when the action will be completed. It will be continued for a certain period of time. The action will go on in continuous manner and it will end within a slot of time. Okay, similarly, the action have been ruling, will have been ruling, the ruling action will be taken place in future. It will begin in its first year and it will last long for total 5 years. So we know the span of time, we know the span of time, how long the action will take place, and by the July it will be ended. So the action will happen in future, it will be continued till a particular time and it will end in a particular time also. This is what we call future perfect continuous tense. Okay, now let's see the exercise. Okay, first example is given here. Shikha will have been working in Shikha will have been work in London for 5 years in December. So rewrite these sentences correctly. By this question we understand that all the given sentences are wrong. So we need to correct them. They are incorrect, we need to correct them. I will give you hints and you will do the remaining one. Okay, first one, see. Shikha will have been, but as it is perfect continuous manner, then future perfect continuous manner, then it will be ing, right? If it is continuous manner, because the task is related to future perfect continuous. So have been plus ing, will have been plus ing is, will have been is already there. Okay, only ing was not in work, so I have made it working. Okay, remaining part of the sentence as it is. They will have being leaving. So what is wrong here? Observe it carefully. What is wrong here? Will have being leaving. Okay, being is incorrect thing. Okay, I have given you hint. अभी आपको खुद से उसको correct करना है. Even in third sentence, I am giving you a hint. By next year, I shall has been writing the 7th novel. So this word is wrong, rest is right. So what will it be replaced by? I have already told you, in future tense, has is not used. If has is not never used in future tenses, then which word is used in future tenses in place of has? Okay, just recall your memory or see the video again, you will get the answer. Okay, so this is how it should be done, and we have completed with both the topics, future perfect continuous tense and future perfect tense, and another use of future continuous tense also by adding to be plus ing. Okay, so I hope you have understood it. If you have not understood it, please let me know, I'll help you. Till the time, take care, thank you, goodbye.